What's up, guys? So took it to the shop and for an alignment, and they said they won't align it because they found that this rear driver's side wheel is bad. They said the wheel hub bearing is bad. If you can see, we're gonna try to test it, go up, sideways, up and down, and then on this side going out and in. So just to see, the wheel is in here, right? I don't know if you guys can see it. Tire can, from the upper side, push and pull. You can see my hand, the tire, it does move. And on this side, it's the same thing. So we're gonna take this wheel out and take everything apart, probably brakes, rotors, and up to this nut. All right, nuts out. Let's take the wheel out. Alright, we're brushing off all the buildup right here. So we use the steel brush. So this nut we're going to be removing, and then this nut we're going to be removing that holds the upper ball joint, and then this nut we'll be removing that's holding this tie rod. And all right, so I think it's dust free or mud free kind of. So we're going to spray it with PB Blaster, all those 3 bolts or nuts. So we're just soaking it. Soak that. And now soak that. So I have a cardboard for all the drips. Completely forget the lower part, the 4th bolt. So cleaning up the dirt and rust buildup, clearing up the Alright. gonna start loosening up this bolt right here. It's able to loosen up. We're gonna try the 3 other bolts, nuts, I mean. There you go. Right now we're taking out is 1, 2 bolts to remove this brake caliper. Out. So now time to check on the bolt. Might need to grease it up. Alright, brake is out. Put it right on top. I'm about to get something, a wire or a rope. Rope it there, secure it, make sure it doesn't fall, it doesn't hang. And make sure that it's safe. Alright, and on to the next bolt. That, and that one right there. Rotors are out. Checking the shoe brake. Still looks good. Alright, here's our replacement hub assembly from Amazon. Take a look at it. Ooh, so shiny. Alright, comes with a nut. This is the whole assembly, brake, drum brake, and all. And on the back side for the ABS. Alright, so just trying to get rid of the bolt here now. Alright guys, after a few hammering, hub is finally out. I didn't bother removing that part of the arm. I just removed the other end, which is up right somewhere there. And then this nut was hard as hell too. And removing it from this, I had to hammer it so hard. I don't know, I think I need to replace this too while I'm out here. Alright, next. Alright, we got the new one in. Push that back. And then both. So now we're just gonna put a newer tie rod. And finished product, there you go. Alright. So new wheel hub. So that's new, both new, and then tie rods both sides. Might as well replace both sides. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe and like button.